Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight, Appa is going to share with you another very simple double boil soup using steaming method. Why I use steaming? Because steaming, you can make this soup within 30 minutes. Super fast, and it's still very super flavorful. Now, let's take a look at the ingredient that we are going to use today. Today, Appa is going to make chicken and bamboo fungus soup. Right? Chicken and bamboo fungus soup. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more besides chicken and bamboo fungus. This is some cordyceps flour. I opened my fridge. I saw some cordyceps flour left, so I put it in. You know, Appa love to clear my fridge. And also I see some of my leftover remaining Chinese cabbage. Also, I'm going to use it. All right, home cooking is all about cleaning fridge, yeah? Okay, then you prepare a nice pot with a very good depth, of course. Very simple. Put everything in, season a bit, steam, done. I have few chunks of free-range chicken here and few pieces of ginger. You want to put in a bit of ginger here in this soup because of this. The mushroom, bamboo fungus, 竹笙, this thing will taste a little bit earthy, a little bit more herbal. So it will be good for you to put in some ginger inside, yeah, to moderate out the flavor itself. And like I mentioned earlier, I have some leftover cordyceps flour and some Chinese cabbage. Right, this is going to be super simple. At the bottom, I'm going to put in the Chinese cabbage. First layer. Then I'll put in the 竹笙, the bamboo fungus. You don't have to rinse it with water. If you rinse it with water, it will melt. But these types, it will actually taste a bit crispy, yeah? Very nice. Then I have some cordyceps flour. Cordyceps flour is also one type of fungus or mushroom. My ginger and the chicken. After that, we just give it some very simple seasoning. I'm going to start with giving a bit of fine salt. This is optional, but usually restaurant will do that. A little bit of rock sugar. For those who have Appa chicken powder, you can actually add in some my cooking Appa chicken salt powder inside. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. It is made out of 100% natural ingredient. Next thing, filtered water. Don't use hot water. If you use hot water, very difficult for you to take later. Right. Up to you whether you want to put a bit of Shaoxing wine or not. Actually, I don't mind putting a little bit of Shaoxing wine, just to also help to get rid of the a bit of the herbal flavor from the bamboo herbs, or what you call bamboo mushroom. Oh, bamboo fungus. Shaoxing wine is totally optional. Now we can send it to the steamer. So preheat your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius. Slowly put in the soup. And we just steam it for approximately half an hour will do. So the normal double boil will take you 2-3 hours. Steaming, actually just half an hour, seriously good enough. All right, this is after steaming for 30 minutes. Oh, yeah. Ooh. All right, so we're going to take it out. Very carefully. It's going to be very hot. Right, so let me remove the lid carefully. Oh, wow, I wish you can smell this. It smells so good. Let me show you what do we have. This is the bamboo fungus and this is the cordyceps flower. Where's my veggie? My cabbage. Yes, my cabbage is at the end. All right, very, very nice. Yeah, you can adjust to taste using a little bit of salt if you like, yeah, or some light soy sauce also can. So this is the bamboo fungus. It is actually quite crispy, very nice. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.